Hey, so what you think about that film the other day, huh?
It was okay, I guess. Too artsy for me.
It was an art house film, you know.
That explains the lack of action. Where's the profanity and nudity?
Profanity, nudity. Got no attention span whatsoever. I should have known better than to bring you to a film like that.
Come on, man. You know, every art house film has to show how rebellious they are by showing some guy's penis. Or some ugly chick's vajayjay all over the screen. They just had this chick with a mask on, sprouting wings or something.
It's an homage to Greek mythology. Didn't you read the intro at the beginning?
No, I was too busy trying to finish downloading my ringtones.
So that was you. No wonder people were looking at us all pissed off. You know you're supposed to silence that before you go into a theater. Sound like firecrackers or something. What kind of ringtone was that anyway?
Well, I know this guy who knows a guy who does sound effects on action films. And he's got these really cool sounds of guns cocking and loading. And so I got this one of a gun loading and firing. Listen.
Hey, let me see
that. Pretty cool, huh? I didn't know which one to pick. He's got a ton of them. So I got this one because it's badass.
Yeah, you need to send me that one.
Yeah.
Hey, I gotta get out of here, man. You're going that way, right?
Yeah.
All right, man. Hey, I'll talk to you later about that project we were talking about.
Okay.
Don't freak out when your phone rings and that gun goes off.
Wait.
So, where do you know these clowns from?
The one guy's a friend of Frank's. Frank vouched for him. He said he's got money from uptown.
Frank? Frank wouldn't know a cop from a hole in the ground. I don't trust this. You better be ready for everything.
Don't worry about it. I got it covered. I got some muscle out back in case things get a little funky.
These guys are late. For Christ's sake, do they want to do this deal or don't they?
Would you relax?
Where the fuck are they?
All right. Listen, they're gonna get here any second. They'll give us the money. We'll give them the stuff. Everybody's happy. All right?
They better get here.
They're getting here.
Late. What, these guys got a time clock to punch or something?
It's a respect thing. Plus, it makes them more paranoid than usual.
What are they gonna do, fire us?
You don't know these guys. They're serious. And you should treat them that way. We can make a lot of money in this relationship. So don't. Don't go fucking it up, okay?
Relax, man. You know I got a thing against authority figures? Shit, I can get bitched enough about time clocks back in cubicle hell. No fucking way, man. I am not going back there.
Just don't mouth off to these guys, okay? Just go in, you make the deal, you get the goods, we get the fuck out of here.
No problem, I got it.
You get the money, right?
Got the check right here.
You get the fucking what?
A check. What's the big deal?
What's the big deal? You you're gonna give these guys a personal fucking check?
A personal check. What do you think, I'm an idiot or something?
Oh, Jesus.
It's a cashier's check from the bank.
Oh, great.
Shit, I don't know these people and I don't trust them. Dude, they could fucking rob us.
Oh, Jesus. Fucking Jesus. Fuck!
Hey, listen, we're here. They're there. Shit, here comes my boy Tommy right here.
You brought Tommy? The kid's a fucking maniac!
Tommy!
Hey, guys! Guys! I brought my gun! The biggest one I had!
Listen, Tommy's the type of guy you need when shit goes down the hard way.
Look at him! He belongs in a fucking loony bin!
It's big! I got it! Is it okay?
The fuck is it, you moke?
Look at it! Look at it! I mean, it's awesome! Gotta love this gun!
Fucking jamoke.
Guys? Oh, well, it's okay, right? And hey, I better fucking get to use this
Fucking
thing.
go crazy.
Look at
What a
it.
fucking moron.
Yeah, Tommy.
Oh yeah, motherfucker!
Steelers go on a fucking date.
Hey, what's another word for larceny? You guys are late.
What are you, my fucking manager?
No, I'm just the guy with what you want. And I see you brought your whole little league team over here.
Yeah, whatever. You got the stuff or not?
I'm not standing here for my health. Show me the money.
Yeah, about
No, we got the money. Full amount agreed to.
What's that, Frank?
Hey, this is my deal. I'm gonna do the talking. Hey, you watch it, punk.
Shut the fuck up, Twinkle Toes. Just show me the money.
He brought a certified check.
Are you fucking kidding me? Do we look like a First National Bank of kiss my ass to you?
It's fine, everyone. I got the check.
Get
right
back,
here.
get back!
Fuck! Oh, Jesus.
What the fuck, man? What are you trying to pull? You fucking cops?
I was just getting the check. Seriously, put your fucking gun
You
down.
put your fucking gun down. I hate fucking cops.
Jesus, we're not cops.
No, Frank, you're fucking idiots.
No, you're idiots.
Who the fuck is he?
I'm Tommy Malone, that's who.
Tommy Malone.
You missed me, Twinkle Toes.
Let me get this. I have bodies all over downtown. Blood flowing through Main Street. And you want me to believe that your whole involvement in this massacre was getting the fuck off!